I think it's week 8 of Devlogs, and well, this week has just not been going too good. It's Thursday, and I haven't done any game dev yet. Yeah, so if you are one of the big brainers who's usually like, oh, this guy usually doesn't have a lot of content every week, wait till this week. I'm gonna show you. But it's not looking good. I'm gonna try to do some type of player skill characteristic functionality today or something this week. The 2 days I have left, basically. So we'll see how far I get. I'm hoping to just throw Taylor Swift on and just get in the zone, you know, auto zone. And yeah, it's not looking good. So what I need to happen with the damage pop-up, when I click the mouse on an interactable object and damage is dealt, I want to spawn a piece of text that indicates how much damage was done, and then that piece of text will animate and disappear or destroy itself. And the only one I can really test out right now is going to be strength, because that's the only skill in the game, so maybe I just add these as we go. Skill. And this is the problem. Do I make this the damage it does or the level it is? Clearly it needs to be a float, because like if you're level 2, I don't want you doing 2 times the damage. You should do like 1.2 or 1.1 the damage. If you guys have any ideas about what other characteristics I should add, please let me know. Characteristic 2. Why is it doing that? Why be doing that? Whoa, and that is not the solution. Rookie. We need the order. Kind of funny. Not gonna lie. Look at that. Showing the damage dealt, baby. Huge, guys. Huge. Look at that. These aren't gonna just break anytime soon, I don't think. That's cool. That's what we needed today, dude. Just a little pick-me-up, a little progress today. You know, it's been a bad week for me. Not gonna lie, not a good week. But this has been solid day, dude. I just need to animate this and make it look like it's kind of floating or floating and then maybe fade out or something like that. Floating and get really small or something, and it'll look good. It'll look whatever that means. That's sick, dude. That's huge. Sick, dude. Sick. Ooh. Not bad. Let's go, boys. Look at that. I don't know. I like the fade out. Don't like the color scheme, but that's not a problem. That's easy to fix, but I kind of do like a little bit of the movement. Ooh, okay. Now we're talking, baby. Let's see what happens. See how this looks. Yes, that looks good. I kind of want to create a... I wonder if I could just add like a slider that's below the mouse to show the cooldown. Because right now, you know, we don't have a visual cue on how the mouse is cooling down. That would be cool. And I have, you know, 30 more minutes, so maybe we can mess around with that real quick. Under the mouse, interesting. Then I'd have to have it follow my mouse, but if I add it to the player, then it'll just be about the player, and I just have to basically trigger it, which I think might be easier. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. I just made a cooldown timer.
Is that good?
Yeah, so
Okay.
like you guys haven't been able to see, but when I click on the when I mine a rock, I
Oh, yeah.
already implemented a cooldown timer,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
But there's no visual cues that let you know when it's done, right?
Okay.
But now I just created a little spinner over the head
Uh-huh.
that shows the player like how close they are to being able to click again.
Oh my gosh, that's so good, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
And this is for your devlog, right?
Yep. What are we thinking, guys? Huh? That's pretty successful, especially for only 2 days this week. I know it's not, crazy, but damn, I think Joe actually bruised me, dude. Anyway, good progress especially for 2 days this week. Like it's been a tough week, honestly. I've lack of motivation on top of other schoolwork. It's the perfect storm for not doing devlog. But I pushed through. I made some sick progress. Right, nothing crazy as far as functionality and game mechanics, kind of. But it does definitely help the player see what's going on, and it's definitely more quality of life than as I've been saying. Like, if I you can't do anything in the game. You can't even pick stuff up right now. So if I were to give this to one of my roommates to play, they'd literally just be able to. It's basically a clicking simulator. So there's, I mean, that's not very cash money, but little small bites. We have to take it, we got to take it, piece by piece. And this is just a little small piece. I'm hoping the foundation is there so that I don't have to go back and keep fixing this. So hopefully I'm writing code that's built on stone, kind of, and not sand, where I have to go back and reinforce it every time I want to, make a change. So, and maybe I'm doing it right now, but maybe not. Maybe I could be headed in a better direction that, adds more quality of life. I have no idea. But that's a problem for Monday Tanner. If Monday Tanner even devlogs on Mondays. Peace. Have a good weekend. I'm out. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to absolutely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Share this video with your friend. And maybe even consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a good one.